I mean, what's not to like? You come here, you've got perfectly cooked beef, your rice is nicely cooked, and the heats inside your salad should come with a public health warning. You've been set a brief, and that is to cook one dish highlighting chilies. This brief was set by restaurant critic Tom Parker Bowles. He's going to be tasting your food and helping us make a decision. James has got bundles of energy. I mean, he never stays still, and he's had a brilliant competition. James, just keep it up.
Cooking for a food critic, it doesn't get more hardcore than that. I mean, they're paid to pull things to pieces. So I've just got to do my best and then just stand there like a little boy going, yeah, I know I didn't do that right. Oh.
James, you're bouncing around. This is always a good thing.
Always.
How's your energy levels?
Sky high. It's chili challenge. We're just going for it.
What are you going to make?
So we've got Weeping Tiger, which is a steak marinated in some chili spices, fish sauce, blah, blah, blah. We've got Somtam, which is papaya and carrot salad with lots of spice in there. We've got coconut rice, and it's going to be served with a little bit of dressing going over the top of the steak, but also served with a side order of crab fritters with a sweet chilli dipping sauce. Apart from crushed chilli, I'm only using one chilli, which is bird eye chilli.
And where's that going?
Everywhere.
Bird's eye chilies are about 2 centimetres long, and they're full of lots and lots of seeds which are really hot. You've got to pound them down to get the oil of the chili out so you can truly taste them. If you don't handle bird's eye chilies properly, they will burn the back of your throat.
2 minutes. That's all you got. 2 minutes. Come on, please.
Marla.
Yep.
Look. Here.
Oh, my gosh.
Come on.
Last 60 seconds. 1 minute. That's it. OK, stop. Time's up. Stop.
Hairdresser James has made Weeping Tiger beef fillet, marinated in chili flakes and fish sauce, served with bird's eye chili dressing, Somtam papaya, carrot and bird's eye chili salad, and coconut rice, alongside spicy bird's eye crab cakes and a sweet chili dipping sauce.
Whoa! I mean, what's not to like? You come here, you've got perfectly cooked beef, your rice is nicely cooked, and the heats inside your salad should come with a public health warning. That, to me, is delicious.
Thank you. Thank you.
The crab cakes have succulence. You can taste the crab. I'm not a huge fan, usually, of sweet sauces, but I love the way sugar takes down heat. So you've used the right amount of sugar in there to really give you a real good balance. Fillet of beef is beautifully cooked, and the chilies, you haven't held back on it, and that would be very untied to do so.
The issue you've got here is that dressing is so strong, it overpowers your beef. Add that to your Somtam, you don't taste your Weeping Tiger. It's sort of become a purring pussycat rather than a sort of growling tiger. It needs to be more centre stage because it's a beautifully cooked piece of beef. Saying that, I love the fact you've used lots and lots of bird's eye chilli.
It's all pretty good, apart from, you know, a couple of things, but Tom, well, he knows his stuff. It's like a royal pat on the back. And relax.
You just look so pretty.